What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Crystal. In today's video, we are just gonna be playing around with some makeup. I am actually going over to my mom's house. She's having a little barbecue. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup. I kind of want to wear this wig, this new wig that I got, but I'm not really sure. Got this wax sports bra on from Walmart. It doesn't even like hold up my chest like you see. Like, I definitely need a breast lift. I'm just doing, you know, some makeup. Keeping this intro very short. If you want to watch this, get ready with me just playing around with some makeup. Please keep on watching. But before we do, please make sure that you are subscribed if you haven't already. Notification button down below so you don't miss out any of my videos, and thumbs up this video if you do enjoy. So let's just get right into it. I already did my brows off camera. I was trying something new. I used my NYX micro brow pencil in espresso to line the bottom of my brow. And then I went in with this Extreme Lash long lasting brow pen. It looks like this, and then it has like a little tip just like this. It looks like a little eyeliner. It's for your brows, so I kind of like flicked through it, but I feel like it's too thick where it's not giving me hair-like strokes. It's just pretty much filling them in. I guess there's like a couple hair-like strokes, but I don't know. I never worked with this before, so I'm just like flicking. I like this side better than this side, so I'm just like doing that between like any gaps that I have. And this is in the shade Deep, and I feel like they're already so deep, and I didn't even really fill it in like that. So I think I'm just gonna leave it just like that right now. I'm gonna clean it up with some concealer. And then whatever's left, I'm just gonna use that as my base. Sometimes I like to use concealer as like my base. Other times I do like to use ones that's for priming the lids. But listen, when I'm covering my brows, sometimes I'll just be like, let me use the rest of this concealer so it don't go to waste. But this one is very great, so I like it. By the way, this is the Juvia's Place concealer. I've been like obsessed with this. Like, so pretty. It's just so smooth and it's just so cute. Okay, for eyeshadow, I think I'm gonna go in with my Morphe and James Charles palette. I was using it yesterday to grab one shadow from the palette when I was filming, and then I was just looking at it. I was like, damn, I haven't used this in such a long time. So I'm gonna go into it. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, so I'm not gonna like pick it up here and there. I'll just put like on the screen what shadow I'm using, because honestly, I don't know where I put that little flimsy thing, and then the shadows aren't on this palette, so I can't keep up. For my first transition shade, I'm gonna go in to the third row, 1, 2, 3, fourth shadow in, and I'm just gonna take that on my Morphe M535, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. So I put the first layer down. I'm gonna go back in and just deepen this up a little bit more. Taking my Profusion like blending brush, I'm going to go into the shade that's right next to it. So the third row, and it's the 5th shade. And it's more of like a true chocolatey brown, and I'm just gonna take that on the outer corner just like this, like kind of flicking it and then dragging it into the crease. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M513. I'm gonna go into the second row and 7th shade. And remember, I'll put the names on the screen. And I'm going, it's like more of like a burgundy shade. And I just want to deepen this up. And I'm using such a light hand to apply this. Holding your brush at the end like this is going to give you less pressure. And that's exactly what I want to do. I don't want the shadow to be so out there, like extremely pigmented. So I'm just going to use this very lightly. And I'm just like doing circular motions and then kind of like flicking it towards the lid, but not applying it on the lid. You see like the tiniest bit. I'm gonna build it up, but I just want to do that first layer first. Ooh, just like that. Now for my lid, I'm gonna go in with, this is the Urban Decay Naked 3 brush that comes in the palette. Oh my god, I had this for such a long time. I'm gonna go into the first row and it's the 4th shade, so that orange shade. I'm gonna use this as my base color and I'm gonna just apply that all over the lid. So now that I have that, if you want, you could just do the wing liner and then you're all set, but I kind of want to add this on top. I want to go in with the MAC Loose Pigment in the shade Rose. Now it has like that shift of like that rosy orangey undertone, so that's why I want the orange to make it pop a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with my glitter adhesive primer by NYX. And I don't want a whole bunch, I just want enough for the pigment to stay on. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of the cap because you do not need a whole bunch. Like, yeah, down. I'm gonna take the other side of the Urban Decay brush and use that and just like press that in to the lid. It's so gorgeous. You see, like it still has like that orangey undertone, but with like that reflect of pink too. Like, ah, this looks so bomb. And I'm actually pressing it in, I'm not swiping it. So really making sure that it's sticking to the adhesive. And then going back into that maroon kind of shade, just blending this right here. I'm just going in with the previous shades to make sure everything is well blended and nice and pigmented. For eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my Benefit roller liner, and this is in the shade Brown. Okay, now that I have these 2 liners, and they're supposed to be wing liners, but they're a little messed up today. It's okay. I'm gonna take my micellar water and just take this off. Look at how much fallout I had on my face. Ain't that crazy? So I'm gonna do my face, and I'm not gonna talk through this because I always talk through what I'm doing, so everything would just be down in the description bar. So let's just listen to some of the music and you could just watch what I'm doing. So now that my face is done, I'm gonna finish the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the orange shade that I put onto my lid, smudge that on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with that darker chocolatey shade mixed with a little bit of the burgundy, and then just focus that on the outer corner. Before I go back into my liner, because I definitely have to fix up the edges because the powder went on top, I'm gonna go and do my mascara, and I'm gonna apply these lashes that I used yesterday in my other video, and they're so pretty. I love the packaging on this because you can definitely reuse them and they just slide like this. I think that that is so cool. I'm just gonna apply these off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my lashes and I actually just changed my shirt and put on my pants. My boobs are like literally like up my neck right now because I have this like girdle. For lips, I have to moisturize, and because my lips is hella dry right now. For lip liner, I'm actually gonna go in with my MAC lip liner in Whirl. I'm gonna take the corresponding lipstick, so Whirl lipstick, how that looks. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Essence matte lipstick and I Love You Me Neither, and just put that in the center, just a little. What are you doing?
Just because you do.
And it gave a little bit more warmth. It was a little cool tone for this look, so I like the balance now. Yeah, so ooh, I'm gonna put my hair on. So this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you all enjoy this little tutorial. Everything will be down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And I put this wig on. This is the new wig I was talking about. I love this wig, so I might do a review on it. If I do, I will leave that down below so you could check out the details on this wig. And boy, I am obsessed with this color. I'm so getting like fall looks. Like, oh, I can't wait for the weather to start changing a little bit more. It got a little cooler at nighttime the other day, but during the day it's still pretty hot. But oh, I love this. Look at how long, bro. I have nothing else to say, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.